Okay, let's unpack this. Ever wonder what's really happening, down at your home's pipes? Today we're taking a deep dive into keeping those drains clear, especially for folks right here in Port Moody. We've actually gathered our insights from a great source, the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. Lots of helpful info there on drain cleaning.
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it, how much good can come from something as, well, seemingly simple as clean drain. We'll look at why choosing local help is smart, and all the ways it benefits your home, maybe even our environment too.
Right. So what does this all mean for you listening? First, let's just quickly cover what drain cleaning is. It's basically clearing out the stuff, the gunk, that blocks your pipe so water can flow easily. And in a place like Port Moody, which gets its fair share of rain, that's super important, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. And if we think bigger picture, heavy rain can definitely make existing drain problems worse. Clogs can back things up faster. That's why having local helpers, local professionals is such a big deal. They know Port Moody's specific weather, maybe the types of soil, the common issues here. They know it really well.
So they can react faster.
Exactly. They can fix things quickly because they understand the local context.
Okay, and here's where it gets really interesting for homeowners. Choosing a local company, like one based in Port Moody, it means they can physically get to your home much faster when you have an emergency, like a bad backup.
Definitely. Speed matters in those situations.
And, supporting local businesses helps keep money right here in the Port Moody community. That's always a plus.
That's a great point. Which brings us to, well, what good things actually happen when professionals clean your drains? What are the real benefits? They use some pretty cool tools, actually, like high-pressure water jets, hydrojetting it's called. It blasts away built-up gunk.
Not just a plunger, then?
No, much more thorough. And they often use little cameras, video inspection, to actually see inside your pipes. This helps catch small issues, maybe a small crack or a root starting to grow in, before they become huge, costly messes.
So it's preventative, too. Think about that. Getting your drains cleaned properly by pros means your pipes could actually last longer. You get better water flow, maybe fewer slow drains, a cleaner feeling home overall, definitely fewer yucky smells or backups.
Right, peace of mind.
And it saves you money in the long run, avoiding those big emergency repair bills.
It really does. But, you can help too. Homeowners have a role to play.
Like what simple things can people do?
Oh, easy things. Using drain screens, especially in showers, to catch hair. That's a big one. And really, really try not to pour grease or cooking oil down the sink. Put it in the trash instead.
Okay, that makes sense. What about flushing with hot water? Does that help?
Yeah, regular hot water flushing can help keep things moving, dissolve some stuff, but sometimes, you just need a pro.
Right, for the deeper cleaning.
Exactly. And guess what? Many professionals now use eco-friendly ways to clean drains. It's not all harsh chemicals.
Okay, tell us more about that. These green methods.
Well, what's fascinating here is that these methods, like using special enzyme cleaners, are actually based on biology. They use good bacteria, essentially, to eat away the organic waste, the grease and stuff inside the pipes.
So no harsh chemicals?
Generally, no. Or they rely more on manual tools and things like hydrojetting, which is just water. It's much safer for your home environment, for pets, kids, and it's definitely better for keeping Port Moody's local water systems clean. Less chemical runoff.
That's really good to know. So bringing it all together then, clean drains are, they're super important.
Yeah.
For your home's health, your wallet, and like you said, even our local Port Moody environment. And choosing a local drain cleaning service here means you're getting quick help from people who really understand the specific challenges in this area.
It really does. This raises a question. When was the last time you actually stopped to think about the hard work your drains do, day in and day out? Keeping them happy with some regular care, maybe a professional checkup now and then, it truly contributes to a healthier home and a healthier community.
Yeah, think about what's flowing, unseen, right beneath your feet. A little bit of care there can really lead to a lot of peace of mind. So, thinking about everything we've covered, what's one thing that really stands out to you from our deep dive today?